Okay, lesson 25-2, surface area of cylinders, and this is page 333 in your Springboard book. Our learning target, we're going to find total and lateral surface area of a cylinder. Okay, so again, these formulas are on your formula sheet. The formula for total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. And again, we'll talk about the more conceptual meaning of this formula in class, but through the video we're just going to talk about how to substitute our numbers. Okay, just like with the prisms, the first part of the formula, that's your formula for just the lateral surface area. So that's just the sides of your cylinder, like a soup can label. Okay, so we have the number 2, we have pi, and again, when these are right next to each other, we're multiplying. Okay, R is your radius. Okay, remember in a circle, the radius is from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Okay, that's the radius. Plus 2 times pi times radius squared again. And then we have our h, and this is our height of our cylinder. Okay? So, for this example, we're going to use the pi button on our calculator. The problems will specify, and again, we'll talk a little bit more about this in class, if you need to use 3.14 or the pi button. Okay, so or just having your answer remain in terms of pi, and we'll talk about that in class. Okay, so we're going to do an example together to find total and lateral surface area, and this example is from page 334. So I'm going to draw out our cylinder here. Okay, we're going to say this is 15 inches, and then I'll say our radius here is 10 inches. Okay, so again, we're going to write out our formula. Total surface area equals 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R squared. Okay, so now let's start solving. So we have 2 pi, those are not going to change. Our radius is 10, so we're going to times 10. And then our height is 15. Plus 2 pi, and then our radius is our 10 squared. So now we're just going to evaluate. So 2 times pi times 10 to 15, if you use your calculator, and again, we're rounding to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so that's 2 spaces to the right of the decimal. You get 942.48 plus 628.32. Okay, and then if you add those together, your total surface area is 1,570.80 inches squared. Total surface area. So what that means is the space to fill both bases and all the way around your cylinder. So it'd be like the soup can label would be all around the sides, and you would even put a label over the top and the bottom. That would be your total surface area. Okay. Now, if we want to find lateral surface area, again, the lateral surface area is just the beginning part. of our equation. That would just be a traditional soup can label. Okay, so lateral surface area 2 pi RH 2 pi times 10 times 15, and that's going to give you 942.48 inches squared. Okay, so throughout this video, we're just showing you how to apply the formula. We'll go more in depth in class with concepts and kind of why this formula is what it is. Okay, so to close out, why don't you write your summary and be prepared to share in class.